Welcome everyone. Look at this incredible cottage and the beautiful flowers. It's like something out of a painting.
In today's video, I'm going to show you an incredible AI video generator that's not only powerful and versatile, but completely free. With this tool, you can turn your text and images into stunning videos in just seconds. Every image and video you're seeing right now was created using Grok's Imagine model, and as you can tell, the results are impressive. With the latest update, you can even generate videos with sound and make your characters talk, just like VO3. The quality is unbelievable, especially for a free tool. All the clips you see in this video were produced using this generator, demonstrating just how amazing it really is. So stick around as I walk you through the entire process step by step and show you how you can start creating professional quality images and videos instantly.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Step 1. Creating account. All you need to do is click the link in the description below, and it'll take you straight to the Grok website. Once you're there, just sign up, it's super easy. You can use your Gmail or any other email to create an account. Step 2. Text to image. After signing in, you'll see an interface like this. To start generating images or videos, click on the Imagine option. This will take you to a new page where you can already see creations made by other users. You can click on any video to preview it and even view the prompt used to generate it. Now, let's try creating our first image using text with this AI tool. First, we'll type our prompt into the prompt box. I'm entering a detailed prompt to see what kind of image the AI creates from it. Next, click here to choose the aspect ratio for your image. I'm selecting 3:2. Then, click the upload arrow to start the generation process. In a matter of seconds, the AI produces multiple images based on our prompt, and the quality is seriously impressive. Each result looks polished and professionally crafted. You can now choose any one of the image you like to convert into a video. But before we do that, we need to adjust one setting. Go to your account, click on Settings, then open the Behavior tab. Here, turn off the option Enable Automatic Video Generation. This prevents the AI from automatically creating a video from our image, because we want to generate everything manually using our prompt. Now we select an image and click on it. An interface like this will appear, allowing us to turn the selected image into a video. If you want to download the image, simply click the down arrow button. Next, we'll enter our prompt into the prompt box. This video generator, similar to VO3, supports full character animation, even accurate lip-sync dialogue delivery. After that, using this icon, we can choose the video style spicy, fun, or normal. But for now, we'll start the video creation by clicking the play button. The best part about this video generator is its incredible speed. As you can see, our video is ready in just a few seconds.
This restaurant is amazing. The food, the vibe, everything just feels perfect.
Wow, this is amazing. The lip sync is spot on, every word matches perfectly. It delivers VO3's level precision. Her expressions and eye movements look natural, and the voice fits flawlessly. Getting this level of realism and lip sync for free is truly impressive. By clicking the down arrow icon, you can download your video. And by clicking the heart icon, you can save it to your favorites for later viewing. Your video is also automatically saved to your favorites by default. If you're not satisfied with your video's quality, click on the 3 dots and select Upscale Video. Within a short time, your video will be enhanced to HD quality. As you can see, the clarity has improved significantly, and the HD icon now appears, indicating that the upscaling is complete. Let's generate one more image. This time, I'll enter this detailed prompt into the prompt box and hit the Generate button. In just a few seconds, multiple images appear, and the results are impressive, with almost all of them looking great. We'll select the first image and convert it into a video. Now, we'll leave the prompt box blank, and simply click the Make Video button to see how this video generator performs without any prompt.
Hey there! Craving something crispy and delicious? Come try our famous KFC fried chicken.
Wow! This AI video generator has created a video that looks incredibly realistic. What makes it truly revolutionary is that agencies can now produce high-quality advertisements with ease, no cameras, no shooting setups, and no human models needed. Everything can be generated virtually through AI. And the best thing, it doesn't cost you anything. Let's upscale this video as well and convert it to HD, and surprisingly, this feature is completely free too. After the video is enhanced to HD quality, you can clearly see a significant improvement in clarity. Step 3. Image to video. In this third step, let's test image to video feature with Grok. To begin, click on the icon below and upload the image you want to convert into a video. As you can see, the image has been successfully uploaded. Now, we enter our prompt in the prompt box. You can select fun or normal from this menu, but for now, we'll skip that and start generating the video by clicking the play button. And as you can see, the video is created in just a few moments.
I have been feeling very relaxed since I came to this place.
Just mind-blowing. Your still photo transforms into a lively, animated video within seconds. What truly stands out is how natural everything looks, the movements are subtle, and the lip sync is perfectly aligned. I'm genuinely impressed with this AI video generator. The results are surprisingly close to what you'd expect from VO3. And once you upscale the video, the quality is upgraded to Full HD as well. Let's generate another image. First, we upload the image. After uploading the image, we will enter our prompt in the prompt box, and then start the video generation process by clicking on the play button. In a short while, here is the output. Excellent! Take a closer look at the impressive result and see how beautifully the animation brings the image to life. On top of that, the background music adds an amazing touch, making the entire video feel lively and engaging. Step 5. Text to video. Now let's try the text to video feature. Simply type the prompt in the prompt box. Click this icon and select video option. And then press the up arrow button to start the generating process. Here is the result. The outcome turned out exactly as we described in the prompt, which is truly remarkable, and the video quality is excellent as well. I'm really impressed with Grok's text-to-video feature. I've also made these videos using the image-to-video and text-to-video tools, and the results have been outstanding. The overall video quality is excellent, with sharp visuals and smooth animations. What amazes me the most is how accurately this AI tool interpreted my prompt and brought it to life, almost exactly as I had envisioned. It's incredible to see an idea turn into such a realistic video in just a matter of moments. The best part is that all of this comes at no cost, it's completely free to use. Finally, let me share one tip. If you set up 2 or 3 accounts using Gmail or any other email, you can unlock the ability to generate a large number of images and videos daily with Grok.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.